Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we have another Thar for sale in Bangalore, and this is a 2017 model which is driven just 25,000 kilometers, equipped with all off-road accessories in this. You can just check out the off-road accessories. The vehicle is coming up with the Prad bumpers in this. Complete off-roading bumpers are available in this. We also have auxiliary lights, LED lights, that's the HJG lights are available in this, and also Hella lights. The main lights are Hella lights. You can just check out. The vehicle is equipped with all independent suspension in this. 4-wheel drive vehicle, CRD engine, 2.5 liter diesel turbo engine in this. We also have Maxis tires. Maxis tires are available in this. Off-roading rims are available. Limb raisers are available in this, and auxiliary lights are available in this. You can just check out the badging of this vehicle. And apart from that, the vehicle is an original paint vehicle, well maintained vehicle, less driven vehicle. You can just check out the complete body line of this vehicle, extremely in very much neat condition. Rockslidders are available from Mahindra itself. Set of 5 tires are available on this vehicle. Maxis with 160 PCD rims are available in this. Off-roading bumpers are available in this. We also have a T8 exhaust, which is done from performance exhaust, which is done on this vehicle, which is available on this. You can just check out the complete body line on all the sides. Very much well maintained vehicle, and Snorkel is also available in this. Very much equipped vehicle with all accessories. I'll be showing you the interiors of this vehicle. So when coming to the interiors of this vehicle, the vehicle is in very much neat condition. New dashboard is available in this. That's the latest generation 5+1 gearbox, 4-wheel drive. We also have a music system in this. AC is available in this. And apart from that, it's totally in stock condition. That's the interiors are completely in stock condition. Accidental free vehicle, very much less used. You can just check out the kilometers driven, just 25,208 kilometers. We also have an electronic hub lock, which is company fitted hub lock from the factory itself. So anybody who is really interested in having a look at this vehicle can WhatsApp us on our WhatsApp number 9886679617. And this is readily available for sale in Bangalore. Right now I'll be showing you the exhaust note of this vehicle. So this vehicle is equipped with T8 exhaust. So right now I'll be showing you the exhaust sound. So this vehicle is readily available for sale in Bangalore. Anybody who's really interested can contact us on our WhatsApp number 9886679617. The price we are quoting is 11 lakhs, slightly negotiable. Only serious buyers are requested to please do contact us on our number. So please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.